Break down, meaning stop working, machines, or start crying. Example, my car broke down on the way to work. Give up, meaning stop trying. Example, she gave up learning the guitar after a few weeks. Call off, meaning cancel. Example, they called off the meeting because of the rain. Look after, meaning take care of someone. Example, she looks after her younger brother. Run out of, meaning use all of something. Example, we've run out of milk. Pick up, meaning lift or get someone or something. Example, can you pick me up from the airport? Put off, meaning delay something. Example, the boss put off the meeting until next week. Turn down, meaning say no to an offer. Example, she turned down the job offer. Get along with, meaning have a good relationship. Example, I get along well with my coworkers. Hang out, meaning spend time with someone. Example, we love to hang out at the park. Look up, meaning search for information. Example, I looked up the word in the dictionary. Bring up, meaning start talking about something. Example, she brought up an interesting point in the meeting. Set up, meaning arrange or start something. Example, they set up a new business last year. Take off, meaning remove clothes or for planes to leave the ground. Example, the plane took off at 5 p.m. Come across, meaning find something by accident. Example, I came across an old photo yesterday. Work out, meaning exercise or solve a problem. Example, she works out every morning. Back up, meaning support someone or copy files. Example, remember to back up your files. Look forward to, meaning be happy about something in the future. Example, I'm looking forward to the holidays. Get over, meaning feel better after something bad. Example, she is getting over the flu. Cut down on, meaning use less of something. Example, he wants to cut down on sugar. Turn up, meaning arrive. Example, she turned up late for the meeting. Turn on, meaning start a machine. Example, please turn on the lights. Turn off, meaning stop a machine. Example, don't forget to turn off the oven. Bring back, meaning return something. Example, can you bring back my book? Bring out, meaning make something available. Example, the band brought out a new album. Give in, meaning stop resisting. Example, he gave in to the pressure. Get up, meaning get out of bed. Example, I get up at 6 a.m. Come up with, meaning think of an idea. Example, she came up with a brilliant plan. Go on, meaning continue. Example, please go on with your story. Go out, meaning leave home to do something fun. Example, we're going out tonight. Get in, meaning enter. Example, she got in the car. Get out, meaning leave. Example, get out of the house. Give away, meaning give something for free. Example, she gave away all her old clothes. Hold on, meaning wait. Example, hold on for a moment. Keep up, meaning continue at the same speed. Example, keep up the good work. Lay off, meaning stop giving work to someone. Example, the company laid off 200 workers. Pass out, meaning faint or lose consciousness. Example, he passed out from exhaustion. Pull over, meaning stop a car by the side of the road. Example, the police officer told me to pull over. Put on, meaning wear clothes. Example, she put on her coat. Take out, meaning remove something. Example, please take out the trash. Show up, meaning arrive. Example, he showed up late. Slow down, meaning reduce speed. Example, slow down on the curves. Speed up, meaning go faster. Example, the car sped up quickly. Stand out, meaning be easy to see. Example, her dress made her stand out. Take back, meaning return something. Example, take back the library books. Take over, meaning take control. Example, she took over the project. Throw away, meaning put something in the trash. Example, throw away the old papers. Turn around, meaning change direction. Example, turn around and go back. Wake up, meaning stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Write down, meaning write something on paper. Example, write down the instructions. Act up, meaning behave badly. Example, the kids are acting up today. Back out, meaning decide not to do something. Example, he backed out of the deal. Blow up, meaning explode or become very angry. Example, she blew up when she found out he had lied to her. Break in, meaning enter illegally. Example, someone broke in last night. Bring in, meaning earn or introduce. Example, the shop brings in a lot of money. Brush up on, meaning improve knowledge. Example, I need to brush up on my Chinese. Call up, meaning phone someone. Example, she called up her friend. Carry on, meaning continue. Example, carry on with your work. Cheer up, meaning become happy. Example, cheer up, it's not so bad. Come along, meaning go somewhere with someone. Example, come along with us. Come down with, meaning get sick. Example, I came down with a cold. Do away with, meaning get rid of. Example, let's do away with old rules. Do up, meaning fasten or decorate. Example, do up your coat. Drop off, meaning deliver or fall asleep. Example, I'll drop off the package. Face up to, meaning accept. Example, face up to your mistakes. Fall apart, meaning break into pieces. Example, the chair fell apart. Fall behind, meaning not keep up. Example, I fell behind in my work. Fill out, meaning complete a form. Example, please fill out this form. Find out, meaning discover. Example, I found out the truth. Get by, meaning survive. Example, we can get by with less. Get through, meaning finish. Example, I got through the exam. Give out, meaning distribute. Example, they gave out free samples. Go after, meaning chase. Example, the dog went after the cat. Go against, meaning oppose. Example, this goes against the rules. Go over, meaning review. Example, let's go over the details. Hand in, meaning submit. Example, hand in your homework. Hand out, meaning distribute. Example, she handed out flyers. Hold back, meaning stop yourself. Example, he held back his anger. Keep off, meaning stay away. Example, keep off the grass. Keep on, meaning continue. Example, keep on walking. Kick off, meaning start. Example, the game kicks off at 6. Let down, meaning disappoint. Example, don't let me down. Let in, meaning allow inside. Example, let him in. Look out, meaning be careful. Example, look out for cars. Make up, meaning invent. Example, she made up a story. Move in, meaning start living somewhere. Example, we moved in last week. Move out, meaning leave home. Example, he moved out yesterday. Pass by, meaning go past. Example, I passed by your house. Pay off, meaning clear debt. Example, I paid off my loan. Point out, meaning show. Example, he pointed out the mistake. Put up with, meaning tolerate. Example, I can't put up with this. Run away, meaning escape. Example, the cat ran away. Run into, meaning meet by chance. Example, I ran into an old friend. Set off, meaning start a journey. Example, we set off early. Settle down, meaning start a stable life. Example, they settled down in a small town. Show off, meaning boast. Example, he always shows off. Sort out, meaning solve. Example, I'll sort out the problem. Stay up, meaning not sleep. Example, I stayed up late. Take apart, meaning dismantle. Example, he took apart the clock. Come off, meaning succeed. Example, the plan came off well. Thank you for watching, and remember, learn something new every day.